Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel. If you've never watched one of our videos before, then I'm sorry that this is the first one you're going to watch. But today I'm going to be showing you how I put in my extensions and how I curl them. And this is a heat protectant I use. It's just from like the drugstore. It's like some argan oil one. It's pretty good. I like the smell of it. I don't really like spray ones that much because they make my hair wet, and then I feel like when I put heat on it, my hair gets like crunchy. So I use the oil one there. That is Fletcher. Would not be a proper video without him always being in it. Now I'm just brushing that through my hair, and I start by section, like the first section of hair that I do is like right above my ear, and that's like my very first section. And the extensions I use are still the Bellamy ones. I believe I got the bleach blonde ones and then just had them toned to my hair color because they had no more ash blonde when I was buying them, but they still look like really good. I just had to spend the extra money to get them toned to my hair. And as you can see, my hair is super duper short, so putting extensions in and having them blend is like super hard for me, but I feel like I've nailed it pretty well. So I just start by taking my nasty ass comb and aggressively teasing my hair and scratching my arm. And I just keep teasing and teasing and teasing until all around my head is teased, clearly. And then I scratch some more. Jesus Christ. Now I take a 3-clip and I brush through that. And if you want to actually take care of your extensions, I would just like, brush from the bottom up very gently and not do what I did. But I've never once been able to take care of extensions, so I'm not going to start now. And then I put that from like one side of my head from the very start to like where it ends, like in the middle of the back of my head. And then I'll take the second 3-clip and do the exact same thing so that they meet right beside each other in the back, so that like the entirety of like my head, like around my head, is covered with hair. I don't know if that sentence makes sense. And then, yeah, that's me realizing that one extension is longer than the other because of how badly I treat them. And I'm putting that same heat protectant in my hair and fixing my extension now. Yeah, and then I take this Revlon curling wand. I've had it for like years and years and years. Fun fact, me and Kelsey actually stole this curling wand from Walmart. We used to be hardcore shoplifters. And yeah, that's how I got that. We don't do it anymore because now we have money, kind of. But yeah, I curl every piece of my hair away from my face. And I start like a couple inches like down from like the start of the extension, like the start of my hair, because I don't like the whole strand of hair to be curled. I like when the top is like a little straight and then it goes into a curl, so it's like more wavy and more loose. But yeah, I just repeat that throughout my entire head, just curling away from my face and starting a couple inches down from the start of my hair. Okay, so after I section off my second section a little bit above the first one, I put a 4-clip on one side of my head, and then I'll put a 3-clip that I keep under my sink for some reason on the other side of my head, so that they do the exact same thing where they meet in the back again, so that the entirety around my head is again covered. So for the final section, I'm doing the exact same thing as the last section we just did, which is take a 4 clip, except for this one is a lot longer than the other 4 clip. So instead of using a 3 clip on the other side, I use a 2 clip.
Kind of just looks like you strapped someone else's skin on your head. Emo music intensifies.
So for the top section of my hair, I will wiggle the wand throughout the ends and like basically only curl the ends so that they blend in with the extensions. But then I'll take the wand and straighten the top of my head as well because it just frames my face better that way. And then after my hair is cooled down, so a couple minutes later, I'll take a wide tooth comb like this one here, and I will just comb through my hair and it'll just blend my hair with the extensions and loosen them up a bit more and make them look a little more soft and not so freshly curled, which I like. And yeah, that's about it, basically. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me and Kelsey on our social media. Bye.